Hi everyone, and welcome to Sparkle with Rish. I'm so happy and honestly a little nervous to be here, but more than anything, I'm excited to begin this journey with you. You might be wondering, what is Sparkle with Rish all about? Well, this channel is a reflection of my thoughts, my experiences, and my love for learning and growing. Here, we'll talk about spoken English, yes, in simple and fun ways, personal growth, because we all deserve to shine, and little things that make life beautiful. I've always believed that even in the darkest times, a tiny sparkle of hope is enough to keep us going. Um, Let me share a little moment from my life. There was a time when I doubted myself. I wanted to speak confidently, express freely, but I hesitated. People spoke better, faster, and I felt left behind. But instead of stopping, I started step by step. I began learning not just English, but how to express, how to believe in myself, and how to grow through what I go through. And today, I'm here not perfect but real. And that's what I want you to feel too, that you can start, that you matter, that your sparkle is waiting. This channel is not just about me, it's about us. Every video will be a small step toward better communication, clearer thoughts, and stronger confidence. If you've ever felt stuck or small, just remember you don't need to be great to start, but you need to start to be great. And I promise I'll walk with you in this journey. So, if you believe in learning with love, growing with grace, and adding a little sparkle to your life, hit that subscribe button and let's grow together. Thank you for being here. Until next time, keep shining and don't forget your sparkle matters.